Wow, look how clean that is.
Hello, this is going to be a quick video on me trying to unblock this radiator. The actual core itself is blocked with sort of gunk and horrible stuff, and you can buy many flushing things from motor factors that you just enter in pour it in the radiator, let the engine run so it all warms up and it should flush it out. But it's quite easy to remove the radiator in this car, so we're going to take it out and I'm going to try and flush it out with dishwasher tablets, because they're pretty good at cleaning things. I'm hoping that if we leave the dishwasher tablets soaking in the radiator overnight, then the following morning it might be all fresh and super clean. So I'll just show you inside the cap so you can see. Hang on. Right, I'll see. The light might be a bit difficult, but let's see. Oh no, that's pretty good. Yeah, you can see the core down there, so you can see that's blocked. They're all blocked. It's just generally dirty in there, so that's a good example. That one's really just full of gunk and horrible stuff. So right, we'll take this out now. I was pretty surprised at how much debris came out there of the well, it's still not, no, it's still blocked up. Yeah, I was surprised at that, flushing it out. A lot of debris came out with just flushing it out with the hose. So we'll make up some dishwasher tablets and boiling water and put that in the radiator and just leave it on the workshop floor overnight, and then see if that can work its way into the grime and hopefully make it all shiny clean in the morning. So right, that's now. Right, we've got 3 dishwasher tablets. Right, it's the morning after, and this has been soaking all night, so we'll see. I'll take it outside now and flush it out and see what comes out. Right, let's have a look if we can see if it's any different in there. It is a tiny bit better, but it's not as good as I was hoping it would be. Well, I was kind of hoping that would be all super shiny and clean, but it's no real different. Well, it is a bit different. There was quite a lot of debris that came out when I flushed it out, but just flushing it out yesterday with just water going backwards and forwards through it seemed to get quite a bit of the sort of gunk out of it. But soaking in dishwasher tablets overnight, I was hoping it would be all nice and spotless, but it clearly isn't. So don't know what to do now. I think what I might do is put the radiator back in the car and order some of the proper flush stuff and put that in and see if that does what it's supposed to do. Right, we'll try this stuff. Wynn's radiator flush. Basically, you just chuck it in the radiator, let it tick over till it's warm, and then drain it out. So we'll see if that makes any difference. So I think we'll leave that ticking over for a while. It says to let it get up to temperature, and then we'll see what happens after that. Right, a few days have passed since the last videos, and the conclusion was the what did I put in it? I can't remember. Oh, dishwasher tablets. Put the dishwasher tablets in, didn't make a scrap of difference. Then I put that Wynn's, I think it was Wynn's radiator flush cleaner in. That's been in for about a week or so, and that still didn't make any difference, not a scrap of difference. So now, let me just show it to you, hang on. So now, I'm going to try and clean it with bicarbonate of soda. I've got these, hopefully. That I think that's way too much, but we'll put all that in, mixed with a load of water, leave it in the radiator for a couple of days, and then see what it's like then. it. I've filled it up now. I put in, I filled it up at the bottom and the top, just in case there was a blockage halfway, so that it would get there from either end. So I put about, must be 3 litres in here, and 2 of those packets of bicarbonate of soda, those little tubs. So we'll see what happens. Right, a couple of days have passed since we put the bicarbonate of soda in this radiator. So I'm just going to drain it out now and see what happens. You can see there's like a rim of whatever this crusty stuff is. I guess that's the bicarbonate of soda where it's sort of expanded and come out. I don't know. Anyway, I'll take it outside, drain it out. Right, I've just flushed it out outside with the hose going backwards and forwards through the one end and then the other end. So now let's have a look what it looks like looking down the filler cap.
And it's made absolutely no difference whatsoever.
So the conclusion is none of that works. The dishwash tablets didn't work. The proper stuff brought from the motor factors to actually clean out radiators, that didn't work. Bicarbonate of soda being left in there, I mean that was quite a lot of bicarbonate of soda, and it's been left in for about, what day is today? About 3 days, so quite a long time. Not a scrap of difference.
Wow, look how clean that is.
Ha! It's a new radiator. It ended up being far simpler just to buy a new radiator. Everything I did to try and clean the old one simply didn't work. The chemicals were rubbish. The dishwash tablets didn't work. Nothing worked. So, new radiator it is. This was, I think, £150 including VAT, and it's got the right fittings on for the oil cooler, for the for the automatic transmission, and it's got the proper fittings for the cowling as well, which is quite good because on the old radiator, 2 of the bolts have broken off that held the cowling on. So this will be even better. So that's it. So the moral of the story is, if your radiator's blocked, just buy a new one. Right, see you next time. Bye.